Hi everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious entomatadas. These are so fast and easy to make. They're perfect for breakfast. If you want a quick and easy idea, these are it. So if you guys don't know how to make them, keep watching and I'll show you guys how. We're going to start off by preparing the salsa for the entomatadas. We're going to set a pan on medium heat. The pan is now hot. I'm going to add 6 Roma tomatoes. Make sure to roast them on all sides. Okay, the tomatoes are now ready. I'm gonna take them out and set them to the side. On a separate pan, I'm gonna add some oil and I'm going to fry half of a white onion, 2 chile serranos, and 3 garlic cloves. We're gonna move them around and make sure they fry on all sides. Okay, they're ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat and remove the onion, the chiles, and the garlic. We're gonna remove the skin and the tomato stem from the tomatoes. It's easier to remove it with a small knife. Just like that. Now we add everything to the blender. The chiles, the onions, and the garlics. We're also gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and half a cup of water. I almost forgot that I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And this is how your salsa should look. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Now it's time to fry our salsa. I'm gonna be using the same oil where I fried the onion and the garlic. Okay. We're gonna give it a mix. And once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and our salsa is now ready. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Now it's time to warm up our tortillas. I'm gonna use the skillet and I'm gonna add some oil. Now we just spread it around and we start warming up our tortillas. We're gonna warm them up on each side for about 30 seconds. And we flip them, and now we transfer them into a plate with some napkins so it absorbs the excess oil. And we'll do the same for the rest of the tortillas. Now it's time to prepare our entomatadas. For the filling, we're gonna use diced white onion. I used half of the remaining white onion, and I'm also gonna use queso fresco that I've already crumbled. So we're gonna grab the tortilla, dip it into the salsa. We're gonna set it on the plate. We're gonna add queso fresco. You can use any cheese you'd like. You can use cotija, panela, whichever cheese you'd like. And the onion. We roll it up and we keep doing the same for the rest of the tortillas. Dip the tortilla, queso fresco, y cebolla. You can also add beans, chicken, carne molida, whatever you like to the filling. Once we've added all the filling, we're gonna add extra salsa on top. Not as much as you'd like. So good. Le vamos a echar más queso fresco, more cheese. We cannot go without crema mexicana. And last, some aguacate. And there you have it, delicious entomatadas. Okay. My favorite part because I'm always starving. Cheers.
¿Están ricas, mi amor?
Son súper ricas.
Are they spicy or are they good?
No, they're not spicy at all. They're flavorful. Por eso no son enchiladas.
Oh.
But the onion with the queso, perfect. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.